First of all, what I see as product-led growth is a strategy where a product is doing the work to acquire, retain, and monetize users. So you think about sales-led being very common, marketing-led becoming more popular 10 to 20 years ago, and product-led became a trend more recently, starting with B2C and then B2B. That's great to the users. So like you and I, we can do more by ourselves when we are interacting with a product. We don't need to raise our hand to work with a rep on the other side. Now, my hot take is that I believe that many companies that claim to be product-led, they're actually skipping steps. So more common than not, people believe that creating a try for free or create a free account option means that you've become product-led. And first of all, that's just a tiny piece of what PLG means. But more importantly, starting with acquisition, accelerating acquisition without having a deep understanding of the problems that your product is solving, who it's solving for, and what retention means. Not figuring that out first means that you might be skipping steps and you won't get the most out of PLG.